How can you know whether your stock will continue to earn you good profits or not in the long term? You need to look at the earnings of the company that they report periodically. What are earnings? Earnings of a company are the company's after-tax net income or profits. It is the main factor deciding the price of a stock and indicates whether the business will be profitable and successful in the long run. Earnings are declared for a specific period, such as 3 months or a year. A company has to maximize its earnings every year to create value for the shareholders. Let us understand how to check EPS to know if the investment in a stock will be profitable or not in the long run. Welcome to Save and Invest Smartly. Earnings help to compare the performance of the company with its past performance. For example, if the previous year earning of a company is rupees 20 lakhs and the current year earnings is rupees 25 lakhs, then it implies that the company's performance has improved. For a company that is publicly listed in stock market and has multiple owners in the form of shareholders, what people are interested is earnings per share, EPS. EPS measures how much profit a company has generated per share. Higher the value of EPS, higher is the profitability of the company. EPS is calculated by dividing net income minus preferred dividends by end of period common shares outstanding. For example, if a company A generated a net income of rupees 20 lakhs and has to pay rupees 2 lakhs as preferred dividends and has 6 lakhs of common shares outstanding, then the EPS of company A is rupees 20 lakhs minus 2 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs, which is equal to 3 rupees per share. So the EPS of this company is rupees 3 per share. Let us use trend line to check the EPS of a stock. Before that, I request you to like, comment, and subscribe to show your support for our channel. I post regular videos on personal finance and stock market investing. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss those videos. Now let's go back to Trendline. Most of the features in this website are free and sufficient for beginner investors for their stock analysis. Go to trendline.com. You may sign in using your Google credentials. Once you log in, on the top right corner, you will see a search box. You may key in the name of the stock that you want to analyze here. Let me take TCS for example. Type TCS in the search box. From the search results, pick up the right one that we want. This will take you to the overview page of the stock. Now click on the submenu Fundamentals. Scroll down a little to see the financial numbers for the current and the previous quarter's results. Check the values for basic EPS TTM. TTM is nothing but trailing 12 months, indicating the value is calculated based on the numbers of previous 12 months. We can see that during December 2017, the EPS was 133. From March 2018 to June 2018, the EPS has dropped to almost half. Mostly, if the EPS value drops drastically, it could be because of bonus shares or share split, which would have increased the total number of shares. From the formula of EPS, you can understand that if the denominator, which is total number of shares, increase, then the EPS value will decrease. To confirm this, let us check the corporate actions and then bonus. You may see that there was a 1-to-1 bonus share given in June 2018. If EPS value drops due to bonus or share split, you don't have to worry. From June 2018 to current period, you can see that EPS value is consistently increasing, which indicates TCS is generating consistent profits for the shareholders. The net profit numbers that you see is the earnings generated every quarter. Basically, this value minus the preferred dividends divided by the total outstanding common shares gives the EPS value. Hope you have now understood what is earnings and earnings per share and how to check these values yourself to understand whether the stock generates value for the shareholders or not. Please subscribe for more such useful videos which will help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Thank you, friends.